Hi everybody, this is Maureen. I'm here to do a layout share for the month of November. This first layout and the next one will be from Close to My Heart. It's the first time I've ever done or ordered anything from them before, or the first time I've ever done any sort of pre-made or a pre-made sketch or anything like that. It was pretty cool actually, but that's what it turned out to be. So there's that one. There's my girls and my dad making Christmas cookies. This is a cut file that I colored with two different iridescent colors, and then used a Hip Kit Club kit from I think March of 2018, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, March or April. So there's that, and there's a picture of me back from 2014 before any of my eye problems started. So there you go. Or if that was even December, that might have been 2013, or if it was January, it would have been 2014, but yeah. Okay. This one is using Simple Stories I Am collection, and that is a picture of my sister wearing, I think she has not only her cheetah print sweater, but even her cheetah print shoes on, I think. And then of course, I think this is one of Amy Tan cheetah print hearts. I love that. That turned out so cute. And then I did some torn papers and some up here. And then some cute little splatters. I did some in this yellow color, some black, and then some beautiful mint green ones. Big splatters. So turned out really cute. This one also turned out really cute. I love the way it turned out. Actually, I used my fringe scissors on it to make all these beautiful fringe, and it just turned out to be beautiful. My sister and her fiance. So simple but cute. I wonder if you can see all those French pieces on there. Yeah. This one is my dog Scarlet. She's all snuggled up on the couch. I did some glossy accents on all of these hearts after I cut them out of the paper. All this paper is from one of my Hip Kit Club kits, probably from February or March of 2018, I want to say. I did some stamping. It says I do what I want. Captured, and the title is all snuggled up, and I did some splatters and Mango Tango, I believe. So turned out pretty cute. This is an older picture of my daughters celebrating the 4th of July from a long time ago. Just some stamping, some word stickers, some little clusters. I think it turned out pretty cute. Of course, I love those glittery stickers there. This one, the title I cut out with my Cricut machine. I stamped here for my sister-in-law to be able to write. Picture of my cute little nephew there. Used Vicki Boutin's collection storyline, I think is what it's called. Beautiful collection. So there you go. This one I used the Cricut to cut the snowflakes and first snow, since it was the first snow of that year. Did some paper tearing over here. I painted the snowflakes with quite a few different colors from, for some reason that company, I can't think of it. And I don't have any on my desk that I can see. And the one that makes Mango Tango and Pretty in Pink and Pop Art, and I can't think of the name of it though. But anyway. This one. I used, what collection is this called? Fifth and Monaco. Yes. I did used a Vicki Boutin mask with some embossing glaze from Distress, Tim Holtz Distress embossing glaze there. And of course a picture of my nails when they're all together and long, one's not broken. I also put some shimmer, I don't know if you can tell on those white flowers, but yeah. Here's this one. Turned out pretty cute. This collection is Jen Hadfield's collection. I'm pretty sure. Now that I think about it. And that turned out really cute. I really like the feathers on that. I'm having a hard time reaching them. This one is a background paper from Heidi Swap that I sprayed with 3 different Heidi Swap colors, purple, teal, or mint green, I can't remember, and the primrose. And I also did some tearing on here, and then just some background paper, some pictures of my girls with grandma when they were really little, still toddlers, back at the Cincinnati Zoo on the carousel. And there you go. Real simple layout, but that'll go in grandma's scrapbook. She'll love it. This one is Hello Beautiful Fufu. This is my sister's dog, their newest addition to their family. And this is using a Hip Kit Club kit that I've used previously on 2 other layouts. These papers, some of these papers, and then I added this red paper to it. So I'm so loving how many layouts I've been able to use with these 2 papers being the majority of it. I just love the different styles and everything. I'll have to do like a little video just showing the different layouts I've used those papers on. Okay, this one is a picture of my sister and my niece. I used a Vicki Boutin stencil and the iridescent glaze mixed with purple, a lilac, I think a lilac, shaded lilac, distress spray, and put that on there. And then these papers were from a Hip Kit Club kit from 2018, 1 month, I forget which month it was. And then I just added some embellishments to it and called it done. Some letters messed up here. It's called Sleepy Stella. That is my brother and sister-in-law's dog, and this is from another Hip Kit Club kit. I took some of the papers and decided to do a little layout here, and that's how that turned out. And I think I have one more, maybe. Yep. One more. This is my sister and her fiance at our cousin's wedding. So there you go. Those are all the layouts that I completed for this month. So thank you so much for coming in to my channel, to watching what I make. I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I produce. See you all later. Bye.